This is their flower pot, guys.
To biology, biology, biology.
Hi guys, welcome to Viology. Well, as you know, we are doing the challenge over with Wani's house. Well, today, guys, is the haul. So, guys, I'm going to show you some of the items that I did purchase in the haul. My dad did gift them some items, so I am not going to add that in mine, but I'm going to show you the items. So the first item I am going to show you are these curtains, and I did pick up these from Ross Department Store, and I hit luck. They were $29.99. Well, I found some tiny little picks here and there on them. So when I got to the register, I showed them to the girl. I don't know if you can see the little picks. They're going to be so high up, and how I'm going to do the curtains, you're not going to be able to see it. So I told her about the picks on the curtains. So she decided to give me 50% off on the curtains. So these 4-panel curtains end up costing me $15 because she gave me 50% off, and it's like 1 or 2 picks on the back, but I was like, that's fine. They're sun blocker, they're reduced noise, they're energy efficient. So I thought that was a great deal. So yes, I did jump for it. So I'm gonna take you to the items that I purchased. Then I will take you to the items that my dad gifted them, because I told him what I was doing, so he decided to gift them. So the other thing is these gorgeous pillows. They are so pretty, and it's picking up the gray, black, and the beige, and I think these are so absolutely pretty. And I did pick these up from Ollie's, and they were $6.99, and I did pick up 2 of these. So I still have things in the bag, sorry for the noise. So I have 2 of these. So, also, y'all know I'm a Facebook Marketplace shopper. So, I'm going to insert a picture of a bed I got for free. I got both beds for free. So, one of them came from out of our subdivision. The other one I found on Facebook Marketplace. It was a queen size bed. The headboard was kind of like messed up, but I went to Hobby Lobby, and I paid a total of $15 for the pleather. I redid it myself in a matter of 10 minutes, and voila, the bed is up, it's running, it's beautiful. So now I will show you that bed. The other one, that's going to be coming up in a DIY, because I'm going to do the other bed, which is a full size. I am going to do that headboard from scratch, guys, and I'm going to show you all how I did it. So I should have had everything out of the bag. I'm so sorry. The next thing that I did find at Ollie's are the full queen blankets, which I thought it was a great deal. They were $10, so I got to use them as the throws for the foot of their bed. I did purchase some more throws, but I was like, I don't want a darker gray. So I have those over there on the floor, so they will be going back to Burlington to get my coins back for that. So shop around, shop around. So the next things, guys, I was trying to debate if I wanted to paint the wall or wallpaper the wall. So I got black wallpaper. I went to a wallpaper outlet in the next town from me, and I found this wallpaper, and that thing is so pretty, and it's black. And I got this wallpaper $5 for the whole roll. Yes. So great find. So the next thing, I needed some, we all call these bunny tails. That's what I always knew them as, bunny tails. So I needed some of these. Hobby Lobby this week had them for 50% off, so I ended up paying $4.99 for it. On Facebook Marketplace, and you see I got a lot on stack back there. On Facebook Marketplace, it is this guy that sells brand new pillows, comforters, a whole bunch of stuff for bedding, and they all be just dirt dirt cheap. So I got a total of 8 pillows for $20. 8 pillows for $20. Yeah, I did say 8 pillows. So it's the company that I love to look, Lauren Ashley. So these are overstuffed pillows. They are lounger pillows. So I told my boys they are pink. I will buy liners. So I had some liners. So here it is in one of the zip liners I already had. Some I keep them. I keep them in the house. I keep them. So I still had in our overage closet, I had 5 packs of them. So I just pulled those out to show them, hey, you won't see the pink once you put all the other stuff on. So I did get that. Also, let me see if I can reach it. Oh, on Facebook Marketplace, I'm gonna look on Facebook Marketplace before I look anywhere else. Before I go in the store, I'm going to Facebook Marketplace, where I was looking for a black rug or a rug that was mixed with black and gray and tan. I found this bad boy, brand spanking new, $20, brand new. So that was a great find. I will insert the box to an entertainment center here. This entertainment center, guys, let me see if I can put this rug down. The entertainment center, guys, I will put on the icon above. I will even link the video down below how I use BrickSeek to find better deals on Walmart and Target. Well, this entertainment center online was $150. In stores, well, it says if you purchase online, they did go down to $119 to $129. In the stores, they were $99. On BrickSeeker, it said it was $89, I think, but I ended up paying $29. So I will show you the entertainment center and the receipt. So that is my biggest deal. Well, the beds was the biggest deal, getting it for free. So guys, now what I am going to take you to is the items that my dad bought the guys. So this is the first one. One of them is a queen, one is a full, because I told you one bed is a queen, one is a full. So my dad gift them their sheets. So I'm just gonna put it in the haul, but I did not pay for these. So one is a king, one is a queen, and they came from Amazon, but it did not come out of my budget. Also, it was a dresser that I got to show you that my dad gift them, and also their flower pot my dad gift them. But the other item that I paid for, so my oldest son bed is a queen, so he wanted a duvet cover because he likes his comforter. So this it is duvet cover, and I got it from off of Amazon, and I will post like right here how much it was because I cannot remember. I know both items were like $35. This one is JJ's. He wanted a comforter, so this is the comforter, and it comes with, I bought it a queen size because I wanted it oversized, and it do come with the shams also with it. So that is it. So one got a duvet, the other one got a comforter. So those are the items, and both of these together were like $35. Trying to look. Oh. So these are the pictures that I'm going to be putting in their room also. It's 3 of them, And I got these off of Facebook Marketplace. She had them for $25, and I sent an offer for $20. She said absolutely yes. So I didn't have to go that far. So I did go pick these up, and I was gonna paint over them, but the guy said they absolutely love what they look like. So therefore, I'm gonna leave them alone. Trying to think what else I need to put in this haul. The other thing that was purchased, this is tall and heavy. This came from Home Goods. I ended up getting it for $10 less. And this is an item, we had to return some stuff, so my dad cashed out the balance of the money to me to say, hey, whatever the boys need, just go ahead and get it. So I wanted them a flower pot that looked like something else that's going in their room. So this is their flower pot, guys. How cute! So I am, you see the red, you know, if you know Home Good, you know, I already know. It was $40. It ended up $30. So I will be spray painting this matte black. So put that back down. So that is going to be matte black. I am going to show you another item. The reason why I got that, because it goes so good with another item. So the reason why I got that flower pot, because I got that vase for them. Isn't that cute? And I bought this from Ross Department Store, and it was $11.99. That is just so pretty. So it has that same face, same lips. So the only thing, it doesn't have ears. So I will be taking some of these and put in there. I will be cutting it down so it can be a little bit closer to it. So that is going in their bedroom. And while I was in Ollie's, they were having a book cart sale. So it was just like every book that was in the cart, if you can, they had the hand carriers. Every book that you can put in that cart, you can get all the books for $2.99. So I'm gonna show you the books that I end up getting. Guys, I love my books. The first book I got is the Garth Brooks book. Garth Brooks book. Originally it was $5, but I ended up getting it in the load of $2.99 books. This one, it does have the CDs and the pictures of him. And y'all, I love Garth Brooks. When I saw this, and it is in a sleeve, you can see here it's in the sleeve. So I'm going to be taking it out of the plastic, of course. The next one, I have already taken the paper and probably put it in trash because I didn't like it anyway. So this is another black book, and it's New York. So that is this book, and it was part of the ones that look at that page. Beautiful. Oh, how beautiful. I didn't even, I'm gonna have to take time to look at this book first. So this other book, guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in their bedroom. I'm gonna just put it in the hall. I'm not sure if it's gonna go in my bedroom. I'm just gonna take it in my living room with my things. But I'm gonna share it with you. This is the studio furniture, and this is the Smithsonian American Art Museum, and I've been in the Smithsonian so many times in Washington, D.C. So this is absolutely, it's so many things in here that is just so nice. And here is the Sam, look, beautiful pages, beautiful pages. I don't like breaking the stiffing on my books. So you can see how I'm holding it, because I don't like breaking the stiffing. I always say if you break the stiffing of a book, you're breaking the value. So I don't do that. So guys, I'm gonna share with you the last item that my dad purchased for them. Let me think if I got everything. I do have some things that I made custom by me for their room, which I am gonna show once we do the reveal for the room. So let me see if I can get this big box, and I'm gonna show you this is the other item that my daddy purchased. The other item, guys, is this big box, which I will show a picture here of what this looked like. The reason why I don't want to show the complete box, they got our address all over this box, and I did not realize that. This is heavy. So guys, these are the items that I have in this haul for this bedroom. Once again, Wani, thank you so much. This has been so much fun. I'm not looking forward to the next step. Taking these beds down in their rooms, moving those pallets out. I'm gonna clean the carpet, so it's gonna be a lot of fun at the end, and looking at it, I'm gonna be pleased. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. And if you wanna see the other videos that is attached to this one, please look down below. The links will be below. And you know, I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys, bye.